1985, the Beretta 92F was selected by the U.S. military to replace the M1911 pistol as the standard service sidearm. Its U.S. military designation is the M9 and later M9A1. This pistol served Generation X, the sons and daughters of the baby boomers, and their grandchildren, Generation Y, aka millennials, in deployments and bases around the world since 1985. This video shows the commercial version of the Beretta 92F/M9, the 92FS. The F in the designation stands for Federal, and the S stands for Safety. Back in the 1980s, the U.S. military had failures with the slide flying off the frame, striking the shooter in the face when some overpressured military 9mm ammo was used. Safer M9s were deployed with an enlarged hammer pin sitting slightly above the frame that will engage a notch on the bottom rear of the slide to stop it if it moves too far back. The M9 will have government markings, and there are some slight differences from the 92FS, but I've read parts remain interchangeable between the two. One difference between the Beretta 92FS and the M9 is the slight slant on the bottom of the muzzle end of the 92FS frame, aka dust cover. Cosmetic changes in the commercial frame on the Beretta 92FS were not incorporated into the M9. The original 92F/M9 frame design could not be tweaked by contract rules. The Beretta 92FS has one white dot on the front sight post and two on the rear sight, while the M9 uses a dot and post setup, one dot on the front sight and a half circle centered on the rear sight. In the 1990s and early 2000s, Beretta ran contract 92FS production runs for police pistols. These pistols are marked with a PS within a shield at the front of the frame. In 2006, Beretta released an updated version of the 92FS and M9, the 92A1 and the M9A1. New features included a beveled magazine well and a Picatinny rail. handling of the Beretta M9 as the standard U.S. military service pistol ended after 32 years in 2017.